Hi and welcome to another edition of Natural Crafts. It's the middle of February, but it's a perfect time to start looking for pussy willows. So to see if you have pussy willows in your area, just check out this map, and if you're within that circled zone, you're going to have pussy willows in your springtime. So before all the other things start to bloom, the pussy willows will already be out. So step one is to find a good location where they love to grow. They love to grow along water's edges where it's nice and sunny. See, here's a beautiful stream, and along the edge you see that clump right down there of pussy willows. Pussy willows like when it's kind of calm water. Now I'm sure some of you are already thinking about where the streams and ponds are in your area, but if you need a little help, go on to Google Maps in your area and just zoom in to find the blue lines that are the streams and the little circles which are the ponds. And as you can see by the stars, I also like to keep track of where I found them in the past, which makes it easy to go back to year after year. The other bonus is you find new places to explore in your community. Okay, now once you're out there, you're going to look for that classic shape. It's a clump base that tapers up to a rounded, fuller top. Some of them are quite large, and others kind of a little bit more slender and tall. And I scan the tops of the bushes because you have these very distinctive buds. They're kind of bumpy all the way up. And against a blue sky, you can really see how they stand out. And at this time of year, I don't mind being in the passenger seat because I can even spot them from the car. But when you're on your walk and you spotted that classic shape, get in closer and you'll see if the little pussy willows are starting to break through. Some of them have branches that are red or gold or green. What I notice is the top quarter of the bush is usually a fresh new color because pussy willows bloom out of new growth. So from a distance you may even be able to see the bushes that have the new growth coming out of them that's a different color. So when I start scouting in early February, I see how they're progressing every time I go out. And later in the month, when they're at the stage where you really like how much they've bloomed, just grab your clippers and it's time to harvest your pussy willows. Now they're really easy to cut, and it also stimulates new growth for the following year. So just grab a main stalk, pull it down close enough for you to cut the top parts, which are the pussy willow branches, and there you have it. Beautiful pussy willows you can use in vases or as crafts. Now if yours haven't bloomed fully, all you need to do is put them in some water until they're at the stage that you want, and then take them out. And they're really like dried flowers as soon as you take them out of the water, and they'll stay nice and soft for years. And if you click on the video window that just popped up, I'll show you how to make an amazing pussy willow wreath. You can also use them just for indoor decor or put them in your outdoor planters. They look spectacular with spring flowers or curly willow. So don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell, because then you'll be the first one to get my next video, which will be how to use pussy willows in a beautiful spring pussy willow swag for your front door.